Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set up and add work or school account to Microsoft Authenticator. So make sure you have your Microsoft Authenticator app downloaded, and we have ours here. We're going to tap on the Authenticator app, and then right away we have this page. At the top right corner you can tap on the plus icon and it will bring these options. Now there are three options here: either you're adding a personal account, a work or school account, or others. Now, since we want to add a work or school account, we can tap on it. There are two options. You can either sign in or scan QR code. If you're using the QR code, that means you're already signed in to your work or school account on another device, say a PC, and you'll be having the QR code there for you to scan it. Alternatively, you can tap on the sign in if you're just with your mobile device. And here you can put in your work or school account and then tap on next. Then you're going to put in the password, tap on login. Then it's going to ask you to verify your identity. We're going to go ahead and use any of the existing methods. So we use the proof signing request option using our Microsoft Authenticator app on another device. And we're going to go over there and follow the instructions. So as you can see, we get to put in the same number which we have on our other device. We have 19 there. We're going to put in 19 here also and tap on send. And you'll need to verify with your fingerprint or your password. And you can see on this device, it's approved. And now we have checking organization policies. Then we can tap on continue. So now our work or school account has been added to Microsoft Authenticator. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.